Over the years, I've come to see water as the most important environmental issue that we're facing today for a number of reasons that hasn't been given much attention. And I think I'd always felt a very deep and obvious relationship with the natural world from a young age. But I remember in my 20s, having been through university, I starting to feel a sense of separation, and it really upset me actually. And I think living in the cities and living that kind of urban lifestyle was, you know, increasing this feeling of disconnection. Many landscapes from Portugal southwards are desertifying, are losing water from the aquifers, from the land. And this is having very big impacts not only on local weather patterns but on global climate. In fact, new science, very reliable new science, is showing that water is a bigger driver of climate change than fossil fuels. What excites me about this, strangely, is that this actually places the restoration of local water cycles and global climate in the hands of communities. We don't have to ask governments, we don't have to get the corporations involved. We just go out on our lands, and so this gives me a lot of hope for the future. My wish for this region is that people can reconnect with their natural heritage, with the sense that they do belong to nature, that they are part of nature, and that they are nature. And then when that realization happens, it's very natural to want to restore nature, to want to defend nature. So I'd love to help people develop and nurture their connection with nature. So really what I want to offer is a place where people can come. And by doing that, I want to give people an opportunity to really allow nature to work on them. Because nature is an amazing, intelligent guide